In this video, we are going to see how we can pay to our vendor in check and also obtain a discount for the early settlement as well. As we can see here on 10th January, it says payment made in check from Citibank to Franklin Textiles against credit invoice number 1200 in full within 10 days to obtain 2% discount within 10 days. So this is the total amount that we are going to pay, 4615800 after discount. And this is the invoice that we entered on 3rd of January, the total of which is 4710000. So the invoice was entered on 3rd of January and we are paying it within 10 days, as we can see. So how do we get discount? Let's see. First of all, if we are in the daybook, just press Alternate A to switch to the voucher creation mode. And from here, we'll go to the payments and we are paying to Franklin Textiles from Citibank. So I'll choose Citibank here and we are paying to Franklin Textiles and we are receiving the amount from Franklin Textiles. I'll just mention the whole amount, that is 4710000. Once I enter this, it will show it that you want to book it against reference. Yes, we do. Pending bills, I'll choose that pending bill and press all debit and press enter. But we can see a different amount here after 2% discount. So let's extract that. This is the invoice total equals to sum. I'll just sum it up here. And let's take a 2% discount in here, which is approximately 94,200. So I'll just create a new ledger, alternate C. Just remember to go on the second line and then press alternate C to create the ledger. And this is discount received because we are receiving the discount. So it can be called an indirect income. Press Ctrl A to save. Now we will enter this amount, but in minus, hit enter. And this should make the total of 4615800. Exactly matches this amount right here. But unfortunately, you have to calculate it manually and there's no percentage option here. Now, if you want to see the journal entry effect of it, you can change this mode to a double entry system where we can see the entry in debit and credit form. So when the payment is made, the payables is reduced. So when the liability is cleared, it is debit and the discount is received. And on the other side, we should have discount received as 94,200. I don't know why it didn't show it properly. So on the credit side, we have received the discount. So anything which is received as an income should be credit, and Citibank is again credit. 4615800 is the amount that we received, and Citibank is credit. That means we have paid it from our bank, and the total amount cleared is 4615800 after receiving a discount of 94,200. So it's preferred to switch this to debit and credit form. Go to the other vouchers, go to the change mode and just change it to double entry, and you should be able to see this screen. We can enter a narration here as well. Just copy and paste this. It has some limit, but it is able to paste the complete narration successfully. Press Ctrl A, and this is how you can make the payment to supplier by obtaining 2% early settlement discount. So just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.